why people screw up with AI in health, finance, and life in general, plus how to actually fix it without sounding like a robot preacher. 1. Health. The trust the algorithm trap. Common mistake. You ask AI for a diet, workout, or symptom check. It spits out something that sounds smart, so you follow it blindly. Next thing, you're doing 90-minute HIIT on day 1, or cutting carbs to 0 because ChatGPT said keto fixes everything. Why it fails. AI doesn't know your blood work, sleep, stress, genetics, or whether you're secretly eating cake at midnight. It's pattern matching, not medicine. Fix. Treat AI like a smart librarian, not a doctor. Use it to brainstorm, then run every single suggestion past a real human expert. Cross-check. If it says intermittent fasting cures diabetes, Google meta-analysis, intermittent fasting diabetes, before you starve. Track your own data, weight, mood, energy, for 2 weeks. AI can't feel your body, you can. 2. Finance. The millionaire maker mirage. Common mistake. You paste your salary plus expenses into an AI and ask, how do I get rich? It gives you a 10-step crypto, NFT, day trading plan. You YOLO your savings because it said 300% ROI possible. Why it fails. AI loves averages and hypotheticals. It doesn't care about black swans, taxes, fees, or that you panic sell at negative 20%. Most AI financial advice is just repackaged Reddit hype. Fix. Use AI for math, not decisions. Calculate compound interest at 7% on $500 a month for 20 years. Fine. Should I buy Tesla stock? Trash. Build your own filter. Never invest what you can't lose. If AI says this is safe, assume it means safe in a textbook. Run every plan through a boring spreadsheet yourself. AI lies by omission. 3. AI itself. The God mode delusion. Common mistake. You think AI knows everything, never lies, and has no agenda. So you let it write your resume, ghostwrite emails, even flirt for you. Then it hallucinates facts, copies tone badly, or makes you look like a sociopath. Why it fails. AI is a mirror. It reflects what it's fed. If the internet's full of bro science and LinkedIn cringe, that's what you get back. Plus, it has zero shame. Fix. Always edit. If it says synergize stakeholder value, rewrite it like a normal human. Fact check everything. Is this true? Google Scholar, not just the next prompt. Use it for drafts, not finals. Think of AI as a drunk intern. Useful, but you still sign the check. Quick cheat sheet. Memorize this. Health, AI, ideas, doctor, do. Money, AI, numbers, your brain, act. Life, AI, rough draft, you, reality. Bottom line, AI's a power tool, not a parent. Stop outsourcing judgment. It'll save you from looking stupid, broke, or hospitalized.